The rainforest habitat. Rainforests are very thick, wet, jungle-like forests. Rainforests are found near the Earth's equator. The world's largest rainforests are in South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Rainforests get a lot of rain all year long. It can rain from 60 to 160 inches a year. It is also very warm in a rainforest. The rainy, warm weather makes the rainforest a really good habitat for many kinds of plants. Rainforests contain over 2/3 of all the kinds of plants in the world. Rainforests are very important to our world. The plants give off oxygen that people and animals need to breathe. The rainforests of our world contain over 15 million different kinds of plants and animals. The rainforest is made up of 4 different layers: the emergent layer, the canopy layer, the understory layer, and the forest floor. Let's look at some of the animals that can be found in a rainforest habitat. Toucan. The Toco toucan lives in the South American rainforest. They can grow to be 25 inches long, and their bill takes up half of that length. Their bills are useful feeding tools. It helps them reach fruit on branches that are too small to hold the bird's weight. Toucans' bills have serrated edges like a knife, which is useful for peeling fruit. Toucans eat fruits such as figs, oranges, and guavas. They also eat insects and other birds' eggs. The Okapi. The Okapi is the closest living relative to the giraffe. It lives in the rainforests of Central Africa. It is a master of camouflage. Its striped black legs and brown body help it disappear into the filtered light of the rainforest. The sloth. The sloth is found in the rainforests of South America. It is the slowest moving animal in the world. Sloths spend most of all their time in trees. They even sleep in trees, and they sleep a lot, 15 to 20 hours each day. Even when they are awake, sloths don't move very much. At night, they eat leaves, shoots, and fruit from trees. It can take a month for the sloth to digest one meal. They get almost all of the water they need from juicy plants. The poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is one of the most colorful animals on Earth. It uses its color to warn predators of its poisonous skin. The poison can paralyze or even kill a predator. The poison dart frog is actually quite small. It only grows to be 1 to 2 inches long. Dart frogs live in the rainforests of South America. They got their name because the people who live there would use the poison on the frog's skin to coat the tip of their blow darts. They would use these darts for hunting monkeys, birds, and even jaguars. The giant anteater. The giant anteater is found in South America. It has no teeth, only a 2-foot-long tongue, which it uses to lap up ants and termites. It eats 35,000 ants and termites each day. Their tongues can move very fast. They can flick their tongues out 150 times in a minute. Snakes of the rainforest. Snakes are cold-blooded animals. This means that their body temperature depends on their environment. They cannot make themselves warm. Snakes are slow and sluggish in cold weather and prefer to live in warm places. So a rainforest is a great habitat for many snakes. Here are some of the snakes you might see in a rainforest. The anaconda, the python, the king cobra, the green mamba, and the chrysopelia. The chrysopelia lives in Asia. When it is hunting prey, it can glide through the air from tree to tree. Monkeys. There are also many kinds of monkeys that live in rainforests. There are many trees and plenty of food, making it a good habitat for monkeys. Most rainforest monkeys eat leaves, nuts, fruit, flowers, insects, spiders, and bird eggs. Monkeys can easily climb and move in the branches and tops of the rainforest trees. The spider monkey. The spider monkey has very long arms and a tail that can grip onto a branch, which helps them move easily from branch to branch and tree to tree. The howler monkey. Howler monkeys are the loudest monkeys in the rainforest. They are known for the loud howling sound that they make. They can be heard up to 3 miles away. Howler monkeys also have gripping tails. They spend most of their lives up in the trees. Fruit bats. Fruit bats are another animal that can be found in rainforest habitats. Fruit bats eat fruit, so they live in areas where there are lots of fruit trees. Fruit bats are the largest of all bats. Their bodies can be 18 inches long, and their wingspan can be more than 5 feet across. They have large eyes and excellent vision. They roost hanging upside down in trees. They wrap their wings around their bodies to keep warm. The largest of all the fruit bats are found in Asia. They are called the giant golden-crowned flying fox. It is not a fox, though its face sure does look like one. It is the largest living bat. Its body can grow to be 5 feet long, and its wings can reach 6 feet across. I hope you have enjoyed learning a little bit about the rainforest. I hope that you will take time to find out about more of the animals that live in the rainforest habitat.